Today we are here in Telephone Cove, South Telephone Cove.
North.
Oh, North. North.
It's not the steering wheel, it's the gear selector. Hello to all our family, friends, and subscribers. This video shows our trip to Telephone Cove near Catherine's Landing on Lake Mojave.
Hello everyone, good morning. Hello Daddy, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, today we are here in Telephone Cove, South Telephone Cove.
North.
Oh, North. North. Yes, we boondocked here last night and I'll go outside to see the lake. Okay, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Whoopsie daisy. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. Wow. The lake is so clear. It's blue. I'll go down there. It's a beautiful day. It's hot today. And there's so many ducks. This is the North Telephone Cove. Yes. It's so clear. This is so nice. Oh, it's not that really cold. I can take shower here.
On the way coming out, the truck would not go into gear. The cable that controls the gear selector on the side of the transmission had broken. I was able to crawl under the truck and put it into drive. Shit, I got the sun to my eyes now. I've never done this before.
Maybe it's someone really... I'm serious, because if there's something wrong with the steering wheel, then...
It's not the steering wheel, it's the gear selector. There's nothing wrong with the steering wheel, it's the gear selector, okay?
Okay.
I just need to get this clip off, and then I can pull this thing out of its camper right here. We immediately headed into Vegas to our mechanic, Battleborn Diesel. They were able to get us in right away. A big thanks to Curtis and Corey. After getting the cable replaced, we headed to Pahrump to pick up our mail. It had been almost a year since we were last in Pahrump, and we had quite a pile of mail and packages.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're going to leave our boondocking spot here at the Rio, and we'll be heading for Pahrump today.
Yes. How long have you been staying here?
We've been here off and on for 3 nights. We stayed one night behind the Dotties because they had a good free Wi-Fi, and then we stay here the rest of the time because nobody bothers us here. The NFR is going on right now. There's a lot of trucks and campers here, so nobody's really concerned.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Hello everyone. So this is our boondocking spot. We are here in Pahrump, Nevada. And it is a gloomy day. Here's my husband. Hello, Daddy.
Hello. Well, we boondocked here in Pahrump last night, and now we're going to go pick up our mail. And I want to look at some other boondock spots I know around here. There's a lot of BLM land all around here. It's pretty much wide open for boondocking. It's nice generally. We're having a cloudy, rainy day today, but not really rainy, just cloudy. It's kind of cold, but all in all, it's nice being here instead of in the city.
Yeah, it's really like pretty laid back here.
Yeah, it's laid back.
Well, look at that vista. It's really nice. Okay. Hello. So we will go to our mailbox. I'm somewhat excited because I shopped online, and it's like my first time to shop online this year because I never shopped online when we're on the road. Yes, Daddy?
Traveling is it can be.
Yeah, so I'm really excited. Ooh, Daddy, are you excited?
Not really.
Not really?
Another day on the road.
Yeah.
I need my little red notebook and my other glasses, I guess.
Okay, give me a second.
I'll just throw this right here.
These are my packages.
Okay. We headed back to the Laughlin area and spent some time there before once again heading south towards Yuma. Water's really low. It usually comes up to the end of the muddy. Thanks for coming along with us on our journey. Until next time, keep it real.